There's research that actually shows, and we've seen this, that officers are on LinkedIn, but enlisted members are on Facebook. Get a LinkedIn account. Not necessarily because you have to engage, but it's so people can find you as well. But I would say get a Twitter, start having conversations, right? Get on Twitter, have conversations with people, find those little communities on Twitter of like areas that you wanna work in, go follow the companies, engage in dialogue with the companies. If you tweet at a company like Twitter or Google, like, hey, I'm a vet and I wanna work for you, someone's gonna tweet back and you're gonna get in contact with someone who's gonna be able to help you. But there's just so many communities out there. Vets in Tech, there's other organizations. And I think that once you just start to connect with one organization and one person, it will just start to really unfold and really open up your world to amazing people. I am more than happy to connect with anyone. The community is strong, but sometimes seems a little invisible or hard to find. But once you start to find and get close to it, there's just so much wealth and knowledge and people who want to help these vets be successful, whether they're vets or those who have not served.